Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to Beard Network. Today we're going to talk about beard hygiene. So I'll see a lot of questions online asking if beards are unhygienic. Well, if you don't wash your beard, then yeah, it will get unhygienic. If you don't clean it properly, it will get dirty and stay dirty and cause you issues. But that goes along with a clean shaven face as well. If you don't clean your face, it's gonna get dirty, you're gonna break out, you're gonna itch, you're gonna have problems whether or not you have a beard or not. Now, if beards were unhygienic, then whoever could grow a beard would have been eliminated a long time ago through natural selection. Okay, if beards were such a problem, then women wouldn't mate with men who grew beards, and it would have been long gone by now. But the fact is just the opposite. Okay, beards actually help protect your face, your chin. All right, it helps protect you from several different things. One thing that your beard protects your face from is the sun. It prevents you from getting sunburned or any type of sun damage to your skin. Another thing that it does is actually keeps your face warm in cold climates. All right, it helps protect against wind, chafing, and also it helps prevent against trauma injuries. Okay, getting hit or scraped or something, it helps prevent and protect your skin and your face. Whereas shaving actually increases your risk for a lot of things like bacterial infections. Whenever you shave, you're cutting your skin in little micro cuts all over the place. You're opening up pores, agitating the hair follicles, everything, creating more access for bacteria to get into your skin and actually cause an infection. Another thing that shaving does is it increases your chance of getting ingrown hairs. And it also increases your chance for getting acne and breaking out. Again, because you're roughing up that skin, making small micro incisions in your skin, causing issues all over the place. So in summary, can beards be unhygienic? Well, yeah, of course, if you don't properly wash them and maintain them, okay? But most of the people, hey, you're gonna wash your beard regularly, you're gonna maintain it, you're gonna keep it trimmed, and you're not gonna have any problems. Now, if you don't wash it for a month, then yeah, I would say that it's probably unhygienic, but that's on you. That's not the beard making it unhygienic. It actually does the quite opposite. It helps protect your face. If it was such a bad thing, then natural selection would have got rid of it a long time ago, but it hasn't. It's been around forever and it will continue to be around because it's actually a good thing. All right. Now, I hope this information helped you out. If you enjoyed this video, hey, I'd like for you to think about subscribing, maybe drop a like. I'd appreciate it greatly. And with all that said, I hope you have a great day today.